are now at Efteling. This is just like Disneyland in the busy it is. It's really guys there. Yeah. We're now on the seventh attraction. Seventh now. And waiting time is 40 minutes. So
long time.
yeah, it's already past 3. And we got here around 9 o'clock. So busy day.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is called Symbolica.
Listen to them. Listen to me. Go place op het rechte pad.
Yeah, other people are filming. Feel the dripping? Dat dripping.
Ja.
Maar net goed. Vlug, we gaan verder. Daar kom je bij. I'm in charge now. Dat is jezelf in de spiegel durft aan te kijken. Stelt je ongehoorzamer.
Wat is er aan de hand? Trubbels?
Oh jee. Hier is het laatste. Please stop. Hallo. Hallo.
Nou, de food was Filipino meal.
Koester je fantasie.
Ah, that was nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, Symbolica. So we were there earlier. Daar. Where do you want to go to Dong?
And we can do the carnival.
Yeah?
And then maybe, yeah, then it's already 5. Then you can do maybe one thing or go. It's up to you how you. But
That's
the
okay.
carnival is there. Right?
It is already 4 o'clock and then the water show is at 6. There's another option at 5:15. No, 5 o'clock and then at 6:15.
So we'll see.
So we might do the 6:15 show and do another ride first, another attraction. Look at the kids. They're playing.
Yeah.
So busy now. So we're gonna get some food, some snack. Somebody wants chocolate.
I don't say anything because I also have chips, but that's up to you, one.
My chips are there.
You want chips?
Nacho cheese. Also get sushi on. There's also sushi or wraps in the store.
See, they're all taking things.
No, I was not looking. Now on the way to the last stop, we'll wait for the water show.
Water show, and it's 5 o'clock now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
5 o'clock,
And it's at 5:15, so
15 minutes. So we're just waiting for the show now. It's gonna start in like less than 5 minutes. So this is the view.
Fell in the water with a big splash.
So that's about
I
it.
already see it here.
See the car? Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
It's been a fun day. Really nice day. Thank you, Khoni and Peter, for letting us come here without Anna, for taking care of Anna. It's really nice. So yeah, you enjoyed it though.
Yeah, what we gonna do?
Home.
Nee.
We're going to McDonald's.
Hey, high five.
So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We want to come back here when Anna's a little bit bigger, so she can enjoy. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and
Baboes, mush mush.
see you in the next video. Babush mush mush. Doei.